Hello, 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 and welcome. Cheers. So, today I am going to send the two SID chips. Ta-da! Ta-da! And I did have and also a bonus disc. I did have everything packed up that I could have done this at the post office. But I dropped off the disk drive this morning downtown. And um, by the time I got back up this way and was headed to the post office, so this may sound like I really, 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 really needed the bathroom. So I said to myself, I will get the box. It's not going to make any difference because it's going to get picked up this afternoon anyway. I will get the box. I will use this computer paper, and I will get everything jammed in here so it's nice and secure. And I will fill out the box. You know, it's really funny, as I was there picking up the flat rate box, I said, I need the real small one. Oh, of course, he pulled out the one bigger. I said, oh, how's that? No. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Yes, the sneaky upsell. Ah, similar to shrinkflation. Anyway, the drop-off went well. I got there earlier than I needed to. And then I had to go round and round and round the block. And then out of the blue, I saw somebody who I thought might be the buyer. And there I was. I told them I will be wearing a Santa hat. And we stopped. We talked a bit. And off he went with there we go, with the disk drive wrapped in something. What was it in? Oh yeah, it was bubble wrap. Bubble wrap, round and round and round. And over there it is. And I had it in a shopping bag, like one of the fabric ones, and then I put it in another. So it was well protected from anything that might ail it. Indeedy-dee-dee-doo. So, yeah. Yeah. So anyway, here is a Canada Post flat rate box. It is light. Everything is done. And I will send the tracking number to the fellow. And a little later on, I will take this back to Shoppers Drug Mart, which is where the post office is, and I will send it on its way. I shall. So, let me think about this. I thought I did this already. I thought I did. Maybe I did. Maybe I did. Sure. I will stick this. I think I put it in with a disc. Now this fellow, we've already talked. We made this deal through, well, it started on YouTube, and then we just messaged each other. So I'll stick that in there. And I think that's it. So I think what I can do now, because they're both in there, is I can yank this thing off and squeeze this down. But, you know, what I might do, and I didn't do this on the last one, and it really shouldn't make any difference. But this goes all the way around. I might take this roll of tape and go all the way around. I might. So there. All right, well, I need to write the information. It's very simple. Write the information on the box. And pop it in the mail. Yep. That's kind of sticky. Not surprising. Anyway, that can go. So, there it is. It's fairly early in the morning. I've been up for quite a while because I went downtown very, very early to deliver the disk drive. Ah, I'm dropping things. I'm dropping more things. That's not good. All right. Well, if you're in Canada, there it is. If it's under 5 kilograms. But still, this whole tracking thing, I still see it as bribery. We'll do it, but if you pay us a whole lot more, we'll do it. Anyway, right, that's it. That's all. Have a lovely, lovely day. David Bradley here in the TV room, yes, where I am your host. Bye for now.